Hand sanitization technique. Now we will do the basic hand sanitization technique according to WHO guidelines. And first note, do each step 5 times while counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 2, first do by right hand and then do the same steps by left hand to clean both hands. Now the steps are: number 1, spread the product on your palms by rubbing palms with palms. Number 2, interlace your fingers and rub palm on dorsum of hand and then palms with palms of hand. Number 3, clean your knuckles while interlocking your fingers into each other. Number 4, clean your thumb. And number 5, clean your nails. Now I will demonstrate it by putting the product palmful on my hand, then spreading it on my palms 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then interlacing the fingers with dorsum, palm on dorsum of hand while saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and vice versa on the other hand. Then I will do interlacing the fingers with palm on palm of hand while saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will clean the knuckles while interlocking the fingers and would count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I will do the same with the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will clean the thumb with the other thumb vertically separated while counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same for the other thumb. Then I will clean the nails on the palm of the other hand while rotating them back and forth and counting up to 5. And now my hands are sanitized. The end. Thank you.